All right, let me show you how to mix your oil to your feed. You know the essence of oil for energy uh, in pig feed formulation. So normally add oil. All right, we have to mix this oil thoroughly in this feed, but you know we are not going to pour it direct because it might not homogeneously mix well. So what we're going to do is we only take a little portion of it, of the feed, then pour it in another container. We pour it in another container and then pour our oil. You can see the oil, right? Dividing it into two because I still make use of the remaining one for another portion. Now you first of all mix a little part of the overall feed with the oil. Now why do we do this? So that the oil will thoroughly mix, because if you pour it direct to all the feed, it's going to be a problem. It will not really mix well. Part will be touched, part will not be touched. But with this now, the feed can actually mix thoroughly with the oil. Alright, we now pour it in all the feed. So here we go. We now mix. You see how easy it is? Now we want to pelletize this food. We want to pelletize it. So let's add our water. This is like 1 liter of water. You know, pellet feed is the best to be given to pig. It's always good to pelletize your feed. You have mixed the oil. You now add water to it. So that when you put it into the pelletizing machine, what we call pelletization, will start forming respect to some of the ingredients that is here. Then the nutrients will be released. Now when your feed eats it, it will give it all it needs. So time for pelletization.